You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Japanese in Japanese. How do you say cheers in Japanese when you want to cheer with a glass of sake, for example? Let's hear the Japanese pronunciation. Kanpai. Kanpai. So it sounds more like there would be an M. It would be spelling K-A-M-P-A-I. Kanpai. Not kanpai. Kanpai. Kanpai is how you say cheers in Japan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.